icon. And as you can see, this will create a silhouette of the model. Alright, now we'll make a copy of this model layer. So we'll press Alt and make a copy of it and put it on the top of the mountain layer. And I will change its blending mode to lighten. And we'll get a cool effect in here. But I will reduce the opacity of it around 50%. Now I will apply a layer mask on it. So I will go and I will one click on this layer mask icon. And I will select the layer mask in here. And then I will select the brush tool. And with a 40% in the opacity and the black is my foreground color, I will start the layering in this area. Alright, now we select the mountain layer and I will make sure that I'm on its layer mask and I will start the layering in here to reveal the face of the model. Alright, now we select the background layer and I will double click on it. And I will sample a color from here and I will press OK. Now I will select the mountain layer and I will press Ctrl J to duplicate it. And then I will take the layer mask and delete it. And I will change its blending mode to lighten. And as you can see, this will create a cool effect with the clouds. But there are still other parts from the image visible. So I will apply a black layer mask on it by holding Alt on my keyboard and one click on this layer mask icon. Now I will select my brushes and with the white as my foreground color, I will start brushing in here to make only this part of the clouds visible. Alright, now I will select this top layer and I will go to adjustment and choose solid color. And I will pick a soft pink color and I will press OK. I will change the blending mode of it to multiply and I will set the opacity around 20%. Now I will create a stamp visible layer. So I will press Alt, Ctrl, Shift E and I will desaturate it. So I will go to Image, Adjustment and choose Desaturate. I will change the blending mode to Soft Light. And I will put down the opacity around 30%. And that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed and liked this tutorial and it was a little bit helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, give it a thumb up and share it, and wait for more tutorials to come. In fact, in the next tutorial, I will show you how I created this other double exposure image that you can see in here. Alright, thank you for watching and have a nice day.